Do you want your child to become a curious and a confident learner? If yes, keep watching our video. Hi, my name is Suramya and I'm back with some practical tips and tricks which will help your child become confident and a curious learner. Number 1 is setting a limit to television. Constant exposure to television will not make any stimulation in your child's brain. Rather, it impairs the cognitive skill of your child. That is how they think, what they think, how they perceive their world. Instead, introduce some physical activities in their day-to-day lives which will help them move around the house or in their environment. For example, a simple activity of catching a ball will help them work on their coordination skills. Number 2, interact with your child as much as you can. The more you talk with your child, the more you express your feelings. Let them express what they feel. It will help them become more secure and confident by the same.